full product demo of the HyperChiller.
Hi, I'm Explained Simply, and today my son, King Jimmy, is going to demonstrate how easy it is to make iced coffee with the HyperChiller iced coffee maker. So the first thing you need to do is, it comes complete unit, you need to take it apart. The HyperChiller consists of 4 parts. There is the outer chamber, the inner chamber, the inner chamber, and the lid. So to do the iced coffee, you need to fill both the inner chamber and the outer chamber with water. There's a clear marked line inside, and my son King Jimmy will fill those up to the mark. Perfect. And then the outer chamber. You do not want to overfill. If anything, underfill. There you go. And now the outer chamber goes into the black main chamber. So go ahead and pour that in. Now after that's done, we screw it all back together. So the lid goes back on the little chamber first. Then the little chamber goes into the medium-sized chamber, and we screw that on. The hardest part is to get the threads correct. Done. And then that chamber goes into the main chamber. Yes, and do you know how long that has to go in the freezer?
12 hours. 6
to 12 hours, perfect. And when that's done, we'll go ahead and show you how we do the next step.
Yes. Now the HyperChiller has been sitting in the freezer overnight. Now we can add our coffee that my mom's Keurig made, and we are not going to want to twist the lid off. We're going to want to put it in this section right here and finish it off right here. Whoa. Now, if you want it to go slow, you can wait 1 to 2 minutes, but if you want to go fast, you can wait one minute by swirling. And be slow. We'll see you in 1 minute. Now we have our coffee mixed up for 1 minute because I swirled it. Now we're gonna pour this coffee that's inside here into this cup. That's crystal. We have a straw, caramel, whipped cream, and coffee cremere. Now let's add our coffee into our crystal cup. Perfect. Now we add our coffee cremere. Do not put a lot in. Like that's good enough. Then I'm gonna mix it. And then it's nice brown. Now I'm gonna add my whipped cream. So, I'm going to go like this. If you do it on an upside down angle, it'll be nice and fluffy. Like that. And now we add our caramel. It's really good caramel. It's meant for ice cream and coffee. we are done. This is awesome iced coffee that I made for my mom. Even a kid can make this. And my mom's opinion is that she thinks this is way better than Starbucks.
Wishing you a daisy day. Like and subscribe for more Explained Simply videos.